Hello everyone, it's summer right now. We're in New Zealand and it's super hot right now. I'm not totally freezing and the snow's on the ground. We're doing the bike check on my 2012 BANSHEE amp. Let's get into it. Start the frame. The frame is a 2012 BANSHEE amp, limited edition of course. It got the green and black paint job, which I think really sick, because in BANSHEE you can usually just see those chromo paint, not even paint on. I think this color looks awesome. Super strong, super lightweight. It's probably one of my favorite bike frames out there. Wheels. So my back is a Hope Pro 2 hub released on an MTX 34. Tires, Maxxis DTH. Front wheel, BANSHEE wheel, custom handed built, and these nice purple nipples, I think they're called. And Canna small block 8 tire, super fast, but tons of grip. The fork, RockShark Argyle. Not my favorite fork, but it works well. It only has the rebound adjustment all the way in. Move on to the headset. So this is a BANSHEE headset. It just came with the bike. It's actually super smooth. Cartridge bearings, and I just service it once in a while. It just works like a dream. So moving on to the cockpit. This is a specialized 7050 SL bar, intuitive 40mm stem, chromic wax grips things by Brendan Sumner, Shimano brake, and extra long cable hole just wrap it around my headset. And yeah. So this is Truida's Hasselfeld cranks with some Waco pedals. Green gusset MX chain, super nice looking. 32 tooth and 14 tooth at the back. You gotta listen to the freaking hub, man. It sounds amazing.